Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel, where we dive deep into the most iconic and classic cars ever made. Today, we have something truly special for all vintage car enthusiasts, the 1955 Chrysler Imperial in a stunning dark green color. This car isn't just a vehicle, it's a piece of automotive history, representing the elegance, luxury, and innovation of the mid-1950s. The 1955 Chrysler Imperial was Chrysler's answer to the Cadillac and Lincoln, a true full-size luxury sedan designed to turn heads and impress passengers with its advanced features. Today, we're going to explore everything about this car, from its exterior design to the interior luxury, its performance, and, of course, its value today. So buckle up, and let's get started on this classic ride review. Exterior. Let's begin with the exterior, because this is where the 1955 Chrysler Imperial really makes a statement. Standing in front of it, the first thing you notice is the bold, dark green paint, which highlights the car's classic lines perfectly. The 1955 Imperial features Chrysler's signature styling cues of the era, with long, sweeping fenders, a prominent chrome grille, and elegant tail fins that are not overly aggressive but perfectly balanced, giving it a dignified, luxurious look. The front end is dominated by a wide grille with horizontal chrome bars, flanked by dual round headlights that scream 1950s sophistication. The bumper has subtle chrome accents, including overriders, giving it a sense of presence without looking bulky. Moving along the sides, the long hood and short rear deck proportions make the car look stretched and stately, perfect for a luxury cruiser. Chrome trim runs along the lower side panels, emphasizing the car's length, and the subtle use of chrome around the windows and fenders shows the level of craftsmanship that went into designing this classic. The wheels are another highlight. Equipped originally with 15-inch steel wheels and chrome hubcaps, the Imperial exudes classic elegance. Even today, seeing this car on the road is a visual treat. The rear end features stylish tail fins and round taillights set into a chrome bumper, giving it a look that's both futuristic for the time and timeless in classic car culture. Overall, the exterior of the 1955 Chrysler Imperial is the perfect combination of understated luxury and 1950s flair. Interior. Moving inside, the interior of the 1955 Chrysler Imperial is where you feel the true luxury of this era. This car was built to compete with Cadillac, and Chrysler certainly didn't hold back when it came to materials and design. Step inside, and you're greeted with plush bench seats upholstered in high-quality leather or optional cloth, with a two-tone color scheme that complements the dark green exterior beautifully. The dashboard is a masterpiece of 1950s automotive design. It's wide, sweeping, and finished in painted metal with chrome accents, housing round, easy-to-read gauges for speed, fuel, and temperature. One of the standout features is the push-button automatic transmission, known as Power Flight, which was innovative at the time and gives a futuristic touch even today. Other interior features include a spacious cabin, with plenty of legroom for front and rear passengers. The rear seat is especially comfortable, making long drives a luxurious experience. Chrysler also included power windows and power seats as options, further emphasizing the Imperial's luxury credentials. The steering wheel is large and elegant, offering a solid feel, while the overall ergonomics make driving relaxed and enjoyable. Even by today's standards, the interior feels roomy, refined, and meticulously crafted. Performance. Now, let's talk about performance, which is where the 1955 Chrysler Imperial combines classic luxury with solid engineering. Under the hood, the Imperial was available with Chrysler's 331 cubic inch HEMI V8 engine, producing around 250 horsepower, which was quite impressive for the time. This engine was paired with the PowerFlight 2-speed automatic transmission, making driving smooth and effortless. The ride quality is where this car shines. Thanks to its torsion-level suspension, the Imperial offers a comfortable, floaty ride that absorbs bumps beautifully, which is exactly what you'd expect from a luxury cruiser of this era. Handling is predictable for a car of its size, and while it's not a sports car, it offers a sense of confidence on the road. Acceleration is steady, and the V8 engine provides ample power for cruising on highways or city streets. Braking is handled by drum brakes all around, which, while not as powerful as modern discs, are adequate for the car's weight. Steering is light and comfortable, making it easy to maneuver despite the car's size. Overall, the 1955 Chrysler Imperial is a perfect blend of power, comfort, and refined driving dynamics, making it one of the standout luxury vehicles of the mid-1950s. Prices. Finally, let's discuss prices. The 1955 Chrysler Imperial is now a sought-after collector's car, especially in excellent condition with original paint and interior. As of 2026, prices for a fully restored Imperial can range anywhere from $40,000 to $80,000, depending on condition, originality, and provenance. Cars with rare options, like power windows, power flight transmission, or a factory sunroof, can fetch even higher prices. For anyone looking to invest in a classic car that combines historical significance with timeless style, the 1955 Chrysler Imperial is an excellent choice. It's not just a car, it's a statement piece, a rolling piece of art, and a reminder of the golden age of American automotive design. To wrap up, the 1955 Chrysler Imperial in dark green is a remarkable example of 1950s American luxury. Its stunning exterior, opulent interior, smooth performance, and status as a collector's item make it a dream for classic car enthusiasts. This car isn't just about transportation, it's about elegance, history, and the experience of driving a true classic. If you're a fan of vintage cars, this Chrysler Imperial is a must-see. Its timeless design and engineering sophistication make it not only a collectible but also a joy to drive. From the sweeping chrome accents to the plush cabin and powerful V8 engine, every detail reflects Chrysler's commitment to luxury and innovation. Thank you so much for watching this long review of the 1955 Chrysler Imperial. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of classic and modern cars. And let me know in the comments. Would you take this beautiful dark green Imperial for a Sunday cruise? Until next time, keep your engines running and your classic cars shining.